Back through time. The Wright brothers.
Roxy and Shia arrive somewhere new.
Where are we this time?
I don't know. Look out.
The time machine hits something.
What did we just hit?
It looks like a really old airplane.
Who are those two men? They look pretty angry.
Who are you? Where did you just appear from?
We're sorry for breaking your airplane.
It's okay. It didn't work anyway.
I'm Shia, and this is my sister Roxy.
I'm Orville Wright, and this is my brother, Wilbur.
You're the Wright brothers!
Yes, but how do you know about us?
We're from the future. You two are famous for flying the first airplane.
All four of them are very surprised.